Crystal Ball Markets Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. If you're exploring trading platforms in 2025, you've probably come across Crystal Ball Markets. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's dive into a full, honest review. Most people get this wrong by assuming all online trading platforms offer the same tools and reliability. The surprising truth about Crystal Ball Markets is that it positions itself as an all-in-one platform for forex commodities, indices, and cryptocurrency trading, with a strong emphasis on predictive analytics. It uses proprietary algorithms designed to forecast market trends, giving traders potential insights to make more informed decisions. One of the key pros is the user interface. The platform is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate, even for beginners. You'll find advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and customizable dashboards that allow you to track multiple assets at once. Predictive signals are updated in real time, helping you react quickly to market changes. Additionally, Crystal Ball Markets offers both a web-based platform and a mobile app, so you can trade on the go. Another advantage is the range of educational resources. Tutorials, webinars, and market analysis reports are included, making it easier for new traders to learn strategies and understand risk management. Customer support is available via chat and email, which is essential if you run into technical or account issues. However, there are some cons. Predictive tools, while impressive, are not foolproof and should never replace your own research. Fees for certain trades and account types can be higher compared to other brokers, and margin requirements may be restrictive for smaller investors. Some users have also reported a learning curve with interpreting the analytics and signals effectively. In conclusion, Crystal Ball Markets in 2025 is a solid option for traders looking for advanced analytics, real-time predictive tools, and a versatile trading platform. While it's not perfect and the fees are worth monitoring, the combination of user-friendly design, educational resources, and multi-asset support makes it a platform worth exploring. Just remember, no predictive algorithm guarantees profits, so always trade responsibly and use the tools to complement your strategy.